How ChatGPT works. ChatGPT, explained in simple words. Hello everyone, and welcome back to AI Tech Hub. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT can answer questions, write stories, solve math problems, or even help with coding within just a few seconds? Is it thinking like a human? Does it search the internet every time you ask something? Or is there another secret behind it? In today's video, we'll explain how ChatGPT works in the simplest way possible. So, if you're a beginner and want to understand ChatGPT without technical jargon, this video is for you. Let's get started. First of all, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It is designed to understand human language and generate helpful responses. You can ask it questions, request explanations, write emails, create articles, summarize text, translate languages, and much more. But here's something interesting. ChatGPT does not think like humans do. Instead, it has been trained on a huge amount of text from books, articles, websites, and other publicly available information. During training, it learns patterns in language. It doesn't memorize everything. Instead, it learns how words and sentences are commonly used together. Think of it like this. Imagine a student who has read millions of books. When you ask a question, that student doesn't search every book again. Instead, they use everything they've learned to give the best possible answer. That's similar to how ChatGPT works. Now let's understand what happens when you type a question. Suppose you ask, "What is artificial intelligence?" The first step is that ChatGPT reads your words and tries to understand what you're asking. Then, using its trained AI model, it predicts the most likely next words that should appear in the answer. It doesn't randomly guess. It carefully predicts one word after another very quickly until it creates a complete response. This entire process usually takes only a few seconds. Many people think ChatGPT searches Google every time. That's actually not how it normally works. Instead of searching the internet for every question, it generates answers using the knowledge and language patterns it learned during training. Some versions can also use web browsing when that feature is available, but the core system works by predicting text. Now let's talk about why ChatGPT sounds so natural. The reason is something called a large language model, often shortened to LLM. An LLM is a powerful AI model trained on enormous amounts of text. Because it has learned so many writing styles, conversations, and examples, it can respond in a way that feels natural and easy to understand. But remember, ChatGPT is not perfect. Sometimes it can make mistakes. It may provide outdated information or give an incorrect answer with confidence. That's why it's always a good idea to double-check important information, especially if you're using it for school, business, or professional work. Now let's look at some amazing ways people use ChatGPT every day. Students use it to understand difficult topics. Writers use it to generate ideas and improve their content. Programmers use it to learn coding and fix errors. Business owners use it for emails, marketing, and customer support. Freelancers use it to save time and increase productivity. And content creators use it to write scripts, captions, and video ideas. As you can see, ChatGPT has become a powerful assistant for millions of people around the world. However, the quality of the answer also depends on the quality of your question. The clearer your prompt is, the better the response will usually be. This is why learning prompt engineering is becoming an important skill in the AI world. So, here's a quick recap. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It understands your question, predicts the most suitable words, and generates a complete answer in seconds. It doesn't think like a human, but it has learned language patterns from a massive amount of text. It can help with learning, writing, coding, business, and many other everyday tasks.